Good morning, students. Welcome to Sri Academy online platform. In previous class, we was discussing the word meaning of class 7 social science chapter 1 tracing changes through a thousand years. In this video, we are continuing the word meaning. First word is considerably. 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 English meaning of this word is highly or plenty. I repeat once again, highly or plenty. Hindi meaning of this word is काफी. I repeat once again, काफी. Next word is historian. HISTORIAN, historian. English meaning of this word is a person who is expert in history. I repeat once again, a person who is expert in history. Hindi meaning of this word is itihaskar. I repeat once again, itihaskar. Next word is observe. 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 English meaning of this word is make a remark. I repeat once again, make a remark. Hindi meaning of this word is निरीक्षण. I repeat once again, निरीक्षण. Next word is vocabulary. 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 English meaning of this word is all the words in a language. I repeat once again, all the words in a language. Hindi meaning of this word is Sabdavali. I repeat once again, Sabdavali. Next word is inhabitants. I repeat once again, inhabitants. English meaning of this word is a person or animal that lives in a place. I repeat once again, a person or animal that lives in a place. Hindi meaning of this word is nivasiyon. I repeat once again, nivasiyon. Next word is foreigner. 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 English meaning of this word is a person who belongs to another country. I repeat once again, a person who belongs to another country. Hindi meaning of this word is pardeshi. I repeat once again, pardeshi. Next word is stranger. 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 English meaning of this word is a person who is unknown for us. I repeat once again, a person who is unknown for us. Hindi meaning of this word is ajnabi. I repeat once again, ajnabi. Next word is town dwellers. TOWN hyphen DWELLERS. Town dwellers. English meaning of this word is a person who resides in a town. I repeat once again, a person who resides in a town. Hindi meaning of this word is Sahar Nivasi. I repeat once again, Sahar Nivasi. Next word is evidence. 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 English meaning of this word is the fact, science, etc. that make you believe that something is true. I repeat once again, the fact, science, etc. that make you believe that something is true. Hindi meaning of this word is saboot. I repeat once again, saboot. Next word is investigation. 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 English meaning of this word is an official examination of the fact about a situation, crime, etc. I repeat once again. An official examination of the fact about a situation, crime, etc. Hindi meaning of this word is जांच पड़ताल. I repeat once again. जांच पड़ताल. Next word is archaeological. 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 English meaning of this word is related to or dealing with or devoted to archaeology. I repeat once again, related to or dealing with or devoted to archaeology. Hindi meaning of this word is Puratattvik. I repeat once again, Puratattvik. Next word is excavation. 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 English meaning of this word is the action or process of excavating. I repeat once again, the action or process of excavating. Hindi meaning of this word is utkhanan. I repeat once again, utkhanan. Next word is exploration. 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 English meaning of this word is the activity of searching and finding out about something. I repeat once again, the activity of searching and finding out about something. Hindi meaning of this word is अन्वेषण. I repeat once again, अन्वेषण. Next word is inscriptions. 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 English meaning of this word is words that are written or cut in something. I repeat once again, words that are written or cut in something. Hindi meaning of this word is Shilalekh. I repeat once again, Shilalekh. Next word is significance. 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 English meaning of this word is the importance or meaning of something. I repeat once again, the importance or meaning of something. Hindi meaning of this word is mahatva. I repeat once again, mahatva. Further word meanings are continue in next class. Keep watching. Thank you.